What's going on, guys and girls? I'm doing a quick video right here to show you the bike after it got repaired. It's cold out here, so I'm going to try to make this quick. We got the new tank, no little dings there. Got the new saddlebag lid. It's a little dusty, but look at that metal flake in there. Really nice. Anyway, goes with the original metal flake. There we go. Let's see, what else do we got? We got a floorboard. No, we got the crash bar, rear crash bar, or tip over bar, what do you want to call it, fixed. This has been fixed. New outer shell of the fairing. Shark nose, just a slight little drip right there. Also have the new lever, new mirror, little finger injury there. I did notice on pinstripe. So you got two colors. It is a, that's better to see up here. It is a gray with a blue, right? And then we get back here and we see that the gray gets a little bit of blue tint to it, just slightly. So there's something else that I noticed too when looking at the bike. The emblem. That emblem is a bit high there. So let me go grab the tape measure and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, got the handy dandy tape measure. So let's use the visual line of the dark blue line there. And what do we have? Touch. So let's see. We'll say 1.5 centimeters. And then up here, what is that? 4.5, well, a little over 4.5 centimeters, right? So like 45 millimeters. All right, so let's go to the other side. Other side. Let's get a little further back. Got a touch in. We have almost 3 centimeters. And then up here, about the highest point in the curve, touch, we have about 5 centimeters. So yeah, the emblems, the tank emblems aren't even, they're just stick on. Luckily, I kept all my old parts. And because I kept all my old parts, that means I got the old tank to use as a reference point when I take these emblems off and put them back on. I can take my measurements off the old tank, put them on this one. So, quick tip, make sure you keep your original parts if you have insurance work done, if they allow you to. Because you never know, you may need them later. One of the reasons why I kept the original parts for this bike is because of the new style fairing and gas tanks, along with saddlebags, aren't the same on the newer models of the Street Glide and Road Glides. Road Glide Ultras, or excuse me, Limiteds, they're the same, but not the others. So anyway, so that's just a little update on the bike.